Amazing points of leverage for repossession, and foreclosure even ways to get money back. Part 2 of 2.
Well, there's some basic rules and there's some complex rules. The longer you hold out, typically the better deal that you get. Even in the foreclosure, the people that were trying to work out deals in the beginning never got their money back. So they're not going to start off at 20% or 15%. They're going to start off at 80, 70, 60, 50%, and they're going to come down only so much. But depending on the situation, like even with the vehicles, if we make a demand for the 14-day letter of redemption to repurchase the vehicle before it goes for auction and for them to produce it, if we ask for the location of the auction, the time and date, because if it wasn't a fair market auction value, they can't determine deficiency, certainly not in any accurate way. It would have to be determined by a court. Were there pictures beforehand? Were there pictures afterwards? A whole slew of different things come into effect. Were there aftermarket rims? Was there a high-end stereo in there? No pictures? They got a problem. So some of that stuff can be settled super, super cheap.
Call us now.